Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S24. For that we will have two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now on the editing symbol, you are able to draw something inside or to highlight something. And here, pretty nice, with the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And after you can share this edited part here with the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot. And for that, you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And where to find your screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And here the pictures, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos like tips and tricks and so on. If you want to have a look, or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.